Hey, it's Chris Fuller at Pioneer. Risa, have you checked out the AI updates in Google Classroom yet? If you haven't, you're missing out on some big time savers. So one of the big time sucks for me was always using Google Forms. So I had a list maybe in a Google Doc, or I was creating inside of Forms, and it's type the question, select the question type, put in your different answers. What score should each one get now? So watch how quick this is in these classroom AI tools that Google has for us. So I'm going to click generate a quiz. We're going to stick in 5th grade today. Let's go ahead and a good 10 questions. And this is some key vocabulary that my students need to know. So we're Dust Bowl, New Deal, Great Depression. That's the unit that we're working through right now. Generate learning objectives. So here we go. We've got a little AI powered here. What question type do I want? Let's get some multiple choice and give me some short answer as well, and hit generate quiz. So this is actually using Google Gemini for all this. So if this looks familiar to you and you're a Gemini user, you're in the right spot. So I'm going to go through and check that each correct answer is the actual correct answer. I may need to reprompt in here as well. If I see a question I do not like, then I can ask to modify right here. So I can say, I don't like question 10, or how about add 2 more short response questions. And so now it's going to go in and add some extra questions for me. There we go. Here we go. I've got 2 more short response right here, 11 and 12. It added them. So now here's the cool part. I can copy and paste this and throw it into a Google Doc. Or if I hit export to Google Forms. And so I don't have a list here that I then have to move over to Google Forms. It's going to do all that work for me, and I can just kick back and work on something else until this finishes in about 60 seconds. So I'm going to go in and change New Deal quiz number 3. There we go. So we've got a title in there. I can add anything else. I can set up my point totals in there if I want. So let's make that required in here. Go in my answer key. It already knows what the correct answer is because it created it. Let's assign this a couple points and hit done. And so now all I have to do is go through and assign my points and weights in there, and it's ready to publish and give as a student assessment. So that's a huge time saver for me, just because it takes a lot of time to move things over. So if we can leverage AI in Google Gemini, and it's already in our Google Drive anyway, have it move things around for you, reorganize those things, put them into an assessment that you can use to evaluate learning progress with your student. So I hope this is a big time saver for you this week. Have a good one.